2, 1, time for some number fun. You can count on us with the Numberblocks.
Let's make some number blocks. Oh, here comes number block 9, and there's number block 1. Let's say hello.
9
plus 1
equals
10. I've got an idea. Let's make number block 10.
What do we need?
We need 10 white cubes with a nice red strip around them, 2 starry eyes, 1 mouth, 2 arms, 2 large hands, and 2 legs. And yes, that's right, numbering 10 to pop on top.
How do we make 10?
First, we make the body. Roll a large piece of white Play-Doh compound into a ball. Then push the Play-Doh compound down onto the surface you're working on to make 4 flat sides, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flatten the top and the bottom to make a cube with 6 sides.
2 3 4 5 6.
Now we need to make 9 more blocks to make 10 altogether. There we go. Let's count them.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7
8.
9
10. Next, we need 2 starry eyes. The eyes are made up of 3 different colours: white, black, and red. Roll the small ball of white Play-Doh compound, then flatten it with your thumb. Next, roll the smaller ball of black Play-Doh compound, flatten it, and press it onto the middle of the white Play-Doh ball. Now roll a ball of red Play-Doh compound and press it firmly. Then pinch the sides to make a star shape with 5 points. And put it all together. Now let's do the same for the other eye. What's next? Oh yes, we need 1 mouth. Make a long snake out of pink Play-Doh compound. Fold it in half and pinch at both ends. There we have it, 1 smiley mouth. Next we need 2 arms. Take a piece of red Play-Doh and roll it into a slithery snake. Cut the snake in half to make 2 snakes. 2 arms. 1, 2. What does 10 have on the end of her arms? That's right, 2 hands. We're going to need a ball of red Play-Doh and a ball of white Play-Doh compound for this. First, take the red Play-Doh and flatten it with your thumb. Then do the same to the white Play-Doh. Then you'll need to put the white piece of Play-Doh compound on top of the red piece. Just like this. Then carefully mould the compound into a glove shape. Then, take your plastic knife and cut lines to look like 4 fingers and 1 thumb. Now let's do this again to make the other hand. That's right. Take another piece of Play-Doh red and roll it into another wriggly-jiggly snake. Then cut this in half. 2 legs. 1, 2. Now we need a long strip of red Play-Doh to put all around 10's body. Take a large piece of red Play-Doh compound and roll it out to make a long strip. Did we forget something?
The numbering.
Oh yes, we need Numberblock 10's numbering. For this, we need to make a 1 and a 0. Roll a big black ball of Play-Doh compound into a snake and cut it in half. Take one half first. One line down like a stick makes a 1. That was quick. Now let's take our second snake. Make a circle. There you go. Now we've made a round 0. There. All the things we need to make Numberblock 10. 10 white cubes with a nice red strip, 2 starry eyes, 1 mouth, 2 arms, 2 large hands, and 2 legs. And numbering 10! Hooray! Let's stack the blocks to be 2 blocks wide and 5 blocks tall. Then wrap the red Play-Doh strip around them. Ten blocks. Next, we fix the eyes and mouth in place on the top block. We fix the arms onto both the sides, one on the left and one on the right, and put the hands in place. Then fix 2 little legs underneath. What are we missing? Oh yes, of course! Here she comes now. There we have it. Numberblock 10.
We made Numberblock 10, woohoo!
10's a special number. She's 110 and nothing more. She's bigger than all the numbers that we have met before. All the numbers love her. She's a perfect 10. And now the team's together. Let's count them once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh,